Do you want to quickly make your veins explosive? Now, before we dive in, let's remember that everyone's body is different and genetics play a significant role in vein visibility. However, there are certain strategies you can adopt to maximize vein prominence. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Incorporate resistance training into your workout routine. Weightlifting and resistance exercises help build muscle, which can push veins closer to the surface, making them more prominent. Focus on exercises that target specific muscle groups, such as bicep curls or shoulder presses. Tip number 2. Try massage or foam rolling. Massaging the muscles around your veins can stimulate blood flow and enhance vein visibility. Use a foam roller or a massage tool to gently roll along your muscles, paying attention to areas where veins are naturally more visible, like the forearms. Tip number 3. Hydration is key. Make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Staying properly hydrated promotes blood flow and helps your veins become more visible. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Tip number 4. Engage in regular cardiovascular exercise. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking get your heart pumping and boost blood circulation. This increased blood flow can help accentuate your veins over time. Tip number 5. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Consuming foods high in antioxidants like berries, spinach, and broccoli can support healthy blood vessels. Antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can promote vein visibility. And there you have it, guys. 5 tips to help you boost your vein visibility. Remember, patience is key, as results may vary from person to person. But by staying hydrated, engaging in regular cardio, eating a balanced diet, weightlifting, and using massage techniques, you are taking steps towards maximizing your vein appearance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay fit, and until next time.